जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 1st श्लोका. Arjuna is asking, "Oh Krishna, you said do karma yoga. That means keep performing actions without being attached to fruits of it. You said that. And then you said, if I continue doing that, I will attain knowledge about Atma. Then I should be just keep on meditating upon Atma. With that, I will get Atma Darshanam." So you encouraged me to keep doing meditation. And then in our further discussion, you emphasized upon Karma Yogam. You asked me to pay attention upon performing actions without being attached. Now, oh Krishna, I would like to understand out of this Jnana Yogam and Karma Yogam, which one is better? And you please tell me which one is superior, easy to practice, and quicker to get Atma Darshanam out of this Jnana Yogam and Karma Yogam. Please tell me very clearly. Like this, Arjuna is asking a question. In the shoes of Arjuna, we are all asking this question to Sri Krishna Paramatma. With that thought process, let us repeat Arjuna's words as it is. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogancha semsasi yachreya एतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayana's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Sriman Narayana came down as Parasurama. When he came down as Parasurama, Avanikantakam Ugraviryaha, he killed all the Kshatriyas who were destroying this earth. Oh Narada, that Parasurama used to carry a weapon called axe, the sharp axe, Urudhara Parasvadhena. He used to carry that, and with that sharp weapon axe, he killed all the Kshatriyas. He has gone around this entire earth, Trihi Saptakrutva, 21 times he went around this entire earth and killed all the Kshatriyas who were bad and destroying this earth. Oh Narada, Parasurama killed those Kshatriyas who were torturing, who were paining and troubling Brahmanas. Parasurama killed those Kshatriyas who were going against the scriptural recommendations, who were disobeying our Vedic scriptures. Parasurama killed those Kshatriyas who were ready to go to Narakam because of all of their bad activities. Parasurama killed all these kind of Kshatriyas and saved, protected this earth. Like this Chaturmukha Brahma explaining Parasurama avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Bhaktapaya Bhujanga Garudamanihi Trailokya Rakshamanihi Gopilochana Chatakambudamanihi Saundaryamudramanihi Yakkantamani Rukmini Ghanakucha Dvandvaikabhushamanihi Shreyo Devasikhamanihi Disatuno Gopalachudamanihi Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th చాప్టర్ 1st శ్లోక. సన్యాసం కర్మణాం కృష్ణ పునర్యోగంచ శంససి యచ్ఛ్రేయ ఏతయోరేకం తన్మే బ్రూహి సునిశ్చితం. సన్యాసం కర్మణాం కృష్ణ పునర్యోగంచ శంససి యచ్ఛ్రేయ ఏతయోరేకం తన్మే బ్రూహి సునిశ్చితం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.